20th January 2022, brand new year. It's a new start for me. I get a chance to start over my life, and honestly, because of so many there were these videos that I already planned and I didn't actually get to do one video of my choice. Shut up! Anyways, so because of my videos being planned and I had to do those videos, so I couldn't really shoot my getting my life together video, which I always plan to do in a new year thing. And since I want to get my life back on track and actually enjoy it, I will be shooting. So I have kajal and all on because I was shooting reels. So hey guys, so I just want to tell you a little about the crash courses that Supergrads has started for the following entrance exam: IPM, DUJAT, GIPMAT, NPAT after 12th. So these courses can help you prepare for IPM Rohtak, IPM Indore, DIPMAT, DUJAT, NPAT, Christ University entrance test, St. Xavier's entrance test, Symbiosis entrance test, hotel management, and a lot of other BBA entrance exams. So you can also join the unparalleled ecosystem in the advanced course, and a few things that it consists are here: live online classes from the finest faculty in India, hard copy of the study material which consists a total of 23 books with logical reasoning, one-on-one mock interviews with panel, and many more advantages. Now let's talk about the classes. There are 150 plus total classes. Every class is about 75 minutes long, and there are around 10 classes in a week. Period of the advanced courses is from the day your batch starts to the last day, like the exam date, and it can also extend to your interview process date, which is minimum 4 months. They also conduct scholarship tests where students can get up to 100% of their concessions on their courses. That is so exciting. I feel everybody should go sign up now, whoever is above 12th or going for any of these exams. So yeah. Guys, so you saw I was going through Pinterest. I was just finding great ideas to put in my vision board. Yes, I am making a vision board because I have never made a vision board. My parents have always insisted me to make one. Yeah, so they always insisted me to make one and I never did because I just felt it's crap. But well, it isn't. It is very exciting. I honestly love just seeing it there. It's so good. I love it that I have something to look upon to for the next year, for this year I mean, and I want to cross things off my vision board this year. I really hope a lot of things are crossed off, especially my 95% marks. That's more than needed. So I'll be editing on my phone and then I'll show it to you once I'll go and get it. My dad and my daddy have ordered food and we're gonna have that. I don't want to talk in front of them, so yeah. Hey guys, so apparently my storage is full. I've been trying to empty it since yesterday. I've deleted God knows how many pictures and God knows how many videos. I tried clearing my Insta drafts, I've tried everything and it's just not happening. Moving forward, I have to go get the printout that the vision board I made yesterday. I told you I'll show you and I couldn't, so I have to go and get the printout. After that I can show it to you. It took me a lot of mehnat, खून पसीना बहाया है मैंने इसके लिए. Anyways, yeah, so I'll be going and getting the printout, and after that I'll probably either stick it here or I'll stick it in my journal. so I won't be vlogging that. Like, I'm going, that's useless content. Guys, so I'm back. I just edited my YouTube banner because I edited one earlier and I did not quite like it. It was like, okay, I just wanted to make a new one and that's why I sat and edited it. So this is the new banner I made. Also, I'm flaunting my nails if you didn't notice. Yeah. I really love it. I feel it gives off a very positive vibe, and yeah, and thanks for 11.7k. like, oh my god, I just planned like a little part of my evening. Guess what? I have to work out now and then I have to eat burger, which I'm ordering from McD. Of course I am. Wow. Yeah, I need to work out, so I'll see you guys in a bit. That was really something. I'm sweating like anything. It's currently like 8:40-ish. I don't know. I have to order food and my hair looks like a mess. I'm in no mood to take a bath, so I'm just not gonna. I might wash my face and stuff. Not in a mood to take a bath. If you guys want, I'll link the workout below. It is pretty tough. I mean, I thought it'll be easy. Obviously not, and I like going to the gym better, so we're gonna go to the gym as soon as it opens up and the COVID cases decrease. So I just changed and I wore my mom's clothes. Obviously, I'm a big girl, I can handle myself. So does everybody else. So yesterday we studied SS and I'm so happy I did, because today I had like a test as well as my prelims are going on, and because I studied SS and I studied history specifically, history, the main question of Mahatma Gandhi related came, and I'm so happy. Like, I knew the answer and I was like, oh my god. I mean, I do study but not as much. I used to study better in 6th, 7th and 8th. So I need to stick my vision board thing on my notes and in my study table and all. So I'll explain my vision board to you. Yeah, so this is for skincare, everything related to skincare. You know, I love water and face masks and stuff. They just make me happy. Then this says even a bad day is just 24 hours. Next one is workout. I don't work out very regularly, but I like working out a lot. So yeah, I love this picture. Plus, like, she has like proper toned abs and I've always wanted toned abs. Then eating healthy habits and like fruits and stuff, you know. Then I want to go to Maldives. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I want to go there. I have always wanted a MacBook Pro and I've been asking my parents to get it for me for a very long time now. And I thought instead of, you know, pleading them to get it, I should just put it in my vision board and see if I can attract it for myself. Next is Paris. I want to go to Paris. I always wanted to see the Eiffel Tower. It just makes me feel happy, that Eiffel Tower. Then the next one is social service. Social service is something I kind of have to do for my college applications and stuff, but I love doing social services, so there's that. Then I have always wanted an aesthetic room for myself, and with the projector and like those things in the back you see, and the satin thing. I've always wanted this. 100k on YouTube as well as Insta, so I just put it down together, I think. A proper vlogging camera, like Canon G7X actually. I didn't have a proper camera in mind, but I just found this picture really good and I wanted a vlogging camera, so I just put it down here. An iPad with like Vibgyor stickers and stuff for the background and stuff. 95% in my boards with a heart tattoo. Always wanted this too. So that's my vision board, and tell me how you like it, what you think, should be on it, and I made it with like, I wrote down the key pointers, like I wrote fitness, health, marks and everything. Like I just wrote the keywords, and then I went on Pinterest searching for them. A few, like the social services in my marks one is from Google because it wasn't on Pinterest, so I had to go on Google, and rest all are from Pinterest, and I generally love Pinterest.